Hey, what's new, glitter friends? It's your host, Revi Rose, Revi Rose. Today's video is all about lashes. You know I'm all about the lashes, girl. So if you guys are interested in how I be rocking my lashes, keep watching. Also, this look was done using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I love doing tutorials, so if you guys want to see some more makeup tutorials, let me know. Alright, so first things first, I know I look a little rough without my lashes, you gotta wake up. But the first thing that you do is that you're gonna want to line up your eyes so that you can kind of get a good placement for where the lashes are gonna be. I do a little wing on the outside. You can use tape if you want. For me, I just kind of follow my natural crease and then just bring it straight across. And yeah, sometimes you can mess up, so you just might want to fix it up real quick. So to fix up any errors that I may have made making any wings, I use a little concealer and an angle brush, and ta-da! Use my MAC 215 brush and just blend that right in. Blend, and bam, you have wings. This just elongates the eyes a bit. So I'll be using my Velour Lash Vanity tweezers. I actually use normal tweezers usually, but the vanity ones obviously came with the vanity set, so I want to use it. So it's a little funky, it's getting used to, but once you get used to it, it's easy. I just use the pointy end and clip that into the middle of the lash where the lash line is going to be meeting my eye. I use it this way instead of the flat end at first because it helps with placement and getting the lash directly on your eye. So you can try it either way you want. This way just makes it a little bit easier for me. So here's my little lash glue brush. Just put like 1 or 2 strips of glue on the lash line, not overly thick. You just want a thin layer of glue. It'll adhere, don't worry. Take my tweezers with the pointy end on the lash line, and then I pull the corner of my eye so that it's as straight as possible, and then I can adhere the lash as perfect as possible. Sometimes you need to take a second. But you put that right on like bam, and open on up, and there you have it. We have a nice lash. Now I'll take the flat end and add anything that's incorrect with it, like going around and kind of just pressing on and merging my natural lash with the false lash. And it's easier using this flat side because I can get as close to my eye as possible. The pointy end just makes it easier to get around my face, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm just going to take the comb end of my tweezers and comb through my lashes. You can use a spoolie brush if you have one. This just kind of gets out any clumps and makes my lashes flow nice and freely. If you want, I use a little liner to kind of define my eyes a little more right there at the end, and there you have it. Pretty much that is how to apply lashes like a pro. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will do more videos of how-tos and little beauty tricks, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.